Hey, how's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Well, guess what? We're having kind of a little bit of a blow here today at the lake. The ice is all gone off the lake now. We have no snow left. It was 15 degrees here today with pretty gusty wind coming from the south. And just 5 minutes ago, we lost power. A little bit of wind, power goes out. It's guaranteed, eh? Guaranteed to happen. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you a real world situation where the power goes out and what I do to restore power. I'm going to start my generator, plug it in. So I'm going to put you on my body cam here and see how that works today, and we'll see how we make out. So let's go. No power at the lake. I'm going to start the generator, plug her in. So it's, you know, it's crazy really. Get a little bit of wind and the power goes out. Glad it don't work for the power company, man, oh man. Anyway, first of all, go over here to my sugar shack. Hope you're able to see all this. We open her up. First time I used the body cam angle, so I hope it works. Let me pull out the Jenny. Oh my god. Now I'm going to start this up and let it warm up. First of all, I have to turn my fuel on because I always turn the fuel off. There's a battery on it. I wonder if it's strong enough to start it. I guess that answers that question. So there's a pull start on it too, so we'll pull start it. I got the full choke and the fuel is turned on. That started pretty easy. I'm going to get the cable out. And we plug it into the camp here. Then we go back over here and plug her in the generator, turn her on. And now we go into the camp and switch over. Take my jackets off because I don't need them on anymore. Then we take this apologize for it being so dark here, but first of all I turn off all the circuits in my auxiliary panel, and then this is the transfer switch, so I flip this to generator. Then I put these loads back on, share them like one at a time, like each side, balance the load as much as I can when I turn it back on. You just turn them on and wait, 5 or 10 seconds till the generator settles out. There, we got light again. And that is that. I'm done. We're back on generator power, so that didn't take long. And I'll just tell you what I have on my generator. It's a 30 amp service coming from my generator. And what I have on it is, I've got the pantry, fridge, and freezer. No, the pantry, plugs, and fridge. I got a water pump, heat tape under the camp to keep the water lines from freezing, and plugs under the camp. And also boathouse water heater, or not a water heater, boathouse heater to keep my water from freezing down at the boathouse. And then that's the same thing because that's 220 service I have down there. And then I've got, what does that say? I can't see, don't have my glasses on. Oh yeah, outside plug in the lake room, and plugs in the south side of the dining room, the living room, and the den light. And then over here I've got the dining room light, the kitchen light, the porch light, the lake room light, and peninsula outlets. That's in the kitchen so that we can, plug in a toaster or a coffee maker or whatever. Then we have a freezer, pantry light, and half bath plugs. And then we have, as you can see, computer room plugs and light, den plugs, living room, north wall plugs, master bedroom lights, and master bath lights and plug. And then we have also, we can run a microwave if we're careful. And then we have left side plugs over by the sink, and the light over the sink. So you can get quite a bit of service out of 30 amps. I wouldn't want to turn those all on at the same time, mind you, but using them every now and then, like normal, it's working out okay. So that's how we switch over power. Hope you like this little quick video, and I hope power's not out too long. Take care, folks. Hope you got power where you are, and we'll talk to you.